Hi everyone, today we're going to draw Mario.
That's right, we are going to be drawing Mario because we love playing Mario and Friends and on Nintendo Switch. Who's your favorite Mario Kart character?
Luigi.
Luigi. Maybe we should do a Luigi lesson too.
And Mario.
Well, we're going to do Mario today. Did you forget? We're going to be drawing Mario today. We're super excited about this lesson. And what we're using today?
Sharpies.
Sharpies. We got our paper. And we got our alcohol markers. And we've got Mario.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to draw?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going to start with Mario's nose. And Mario's nose is going to be in the middle here. And it's quite big. So we're going to draw an oval here in the middle. So we're going to draw an oval.
Okay.
Like that. Yep. Right there. Very good, good oval. And what we're going to do next is we're going to draw Mario's eyes. And we're going to draw, it's a bit trickier, his eyes, than our usual eyes. It's got a few more details inside. So I'm going to do step by step. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down like this. A little bit more inside and a bit higher. Yeah, about there. Down. Good. And then we're going to draw another one exactly the same, just on the other side. A little more in, about here. Down like that. Good job. Okay, cool. And then we're going to draw kind of like the letter J. And it starts at the same height as this one. Goes down and into his nose. Kind of like a J, isn't it? Yes. Yep. Good. Try to make it a little bit taller at the top here.
Super.
Yep.
That looks like a real J.
Yes, that looks like a real J. And let's do another one on the same side.
Yeah.
That's right. Very good. And now we just have to join the top with a nice smooth curve. Good job. And now we're going to draw the inside. So he's got a full eye and we're going to draw another line that comes like this, follows the line down and back in like that. Yep. And we can draw the same on the other side.
And we're going to do a little step.
And then one more inside, and that's the dark part of his eye. And then let's give him a highlight. And we got Mario's eyes. Good job, I like them. Okay, and then now we're going to draw Mario's moustache, and we're going to draw two curves that come out just under his eyes. Curve up a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much. Very good. And now under his nose, we're going to draw kind of like how we draw a cat's mouth, but with just a small one under his nose. Not touching his mouth, but just under, like that. That's going to be the start of his moustache. Yep. It's a really tricky face, isn't it? But we're going to do a good job and we're trying our best. Okay, and then we're going to draw a couple more puffs of his moustache. Two on each side, and then a third one that joins to the top. Good job, you got it, Bill. It's a good job, though. It's really tricky. You've done awesome with that one. Okay, now we are going to draw a mouth, and it's going to be really, really close to his moustache, and it just curves a little bit. So just like that. Okay, and then you can draw two little lines on the end and it makes him look a little bit like he's smiling. Good job. And now we're going to draw a straight line on the side of his face, so about here. And it's going to go up. It's going to follow this line next to his eye. And it's going to go up to about there.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, you done another one already? You're beating me already. Good job. Okay, I'm going to make mine a little bit longer. Just a little bit. I need it to be a bit more longer. Good job. Okay, and how about we start with his hat now? So we're going to draw a curve that goes from this one around to that one. And it's just a nice smooth curve. Good job. Okay, and now we're going to draw his eyebrows. And these eyebrows kind of have a long bit like that. So it goes there and comes around and then back in. Good job, and then we can do the same to the other one. It's a bit of a tricky drawing, isn't it? Oops, I drew one bigger than the other. Alright, and now let's do his hat. Oh, actually, before we start his hat, we're going to draw his cheeks. Let's finish this bottom of his face. So what we're going to do here is, before we start his cheeks, we're going to do his chin. And we can draw kind of like a letter A, like a U, but just a squished one. It's just a squished one. So it's going to go kind of like that. So not too big, just a soft one. Good job, I like it. Good. And then we're going to draw two curves that come out by his cheeks. And they go like that and like that. So just go around to just on the other side of your moustache, maybe to here, and go around. You can go behind your moustache too, to there, and just curve them out a bit. Very good. Good job. All right, and then we can join this line to there and this line to here. This line to here, this line to there. Good job. Just like that. Good job. All right, and then what we're going to do is draw another line just straight next to here. So many details on Mario's face, isn't there? Okay, a line up here and a line over there. So you can watch me. I'm going to go there. And on the other side, that. Yep. Good job. It's getting there, almost there. And then we're going to draw Mario's cap, so the top of Mario's cap, but we're going to first join these in on either side. Good job. And now from the middle of these 2 points, we're going to draw a line that's like this one, but a little bit longer. So we're just going to try to keep the same distance all the way around. And that's going to be the peak of his cap. Amazing job. Okay. Next, we're going to do...
It's like he's wearing a sweatband around it.
It's kind of like a sweatband, yeah. Now, Mario's cap, look at that. Mario's cap has got a nice little M on it, doesn't it? So we're going to draw that M next. So let's draw a big circle over here. And it kind of looks like a bun on top of his head.
And
But once we add the details, we'll see
like a
it.
football on his
Like a
head.
football, like balancing on his head. Okay, let's draw a bun over there, or a little circle. Good job. All right, and now let's draw his cap coming out and up. So we can draw kind of like, draw this a little line that goes out there and out here. So at this point, a line here and a line there.
This looks like... there's a football on my head.
All right, okay, and now we're gonna draw, to help ourselves, why don't we draw a little curve like that.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to join these two lines together. So it's going to go like, and join over there. Good job. And we can do the same on the other one. Now we've got Mario's hats. And now we've got to do Mario's ears, and then we're done with his face. That was a lot of work. Let me fix the paper there for you.
It's not a paper.
Sliding around. All right, so let's do our ears, and we're gonna just draw kind of like a C, like a for cat. Just his ears gonna be like that, and again. Yep. Nice ear, and we can just put a few little details in his ears. You don't have to do this, but we can just add a few details in his ears. Good job. And then let's do our M. We're going to do like a big M for Mario's little logo on his head. And to do that, I'm going to do a V over here. Do like a little V at the top. And then draw a little V underneath. Then we're going to draw 2 lines coming out. Good job, I like it. Good stuff. Now Mario's head is done, and now we can move on to Mario's body. Wow, that was a lot of work, but you've done awesome. I really like your drawing. So what we're going to start off with his clothes. We're going to draw 2 lines that come down like this and down like this. Just on either side of his chin. Very good. And then we can draw another line that comes down and another one. Good job. And then let's join these 2 lines together. Wow, very good. All right, and now let's go down a little bit more. And then this one can come out a little bit, just a little bit. Good job. And then let's draw a V at the bottom, connecting the 2. Very good. And then we can draw his big yellow buttons that we're going to color in later. Good job.
Yellow.
Yes, that's right. They're kind of like a gold color, aren't they?
Gold.
So that's the part we're drawing now. And now let's draw got a kind of like a big round belly. So we're going to draw a line from here that curves around, but not too much, just goes like that.
Or to hair.
Let me see. Yes, yeah, perfect. Another one that goes to about there. You can give yourself reference points. Very good.
So,
I'm going to do the same. Start there. That's the place. Very good. Give myself a reference point too. Good job. Awesome work. So let's draw his arms before we continue with his belly. So from here to about there, you can draw a line joining those 2 together. Good job. And you can draw on the other side. Try to keep them the same. Very good. And now we're going to draw kind of like a little curve, like a backwards C. Like that. Very good job. I like your drawing. Now can you draw a line that comes up to about there? I'm going to give myself a reference point too. Line that goes up. Give myself a reference point there. No, a little bit more in, about here. There you go. Join those 2 lines together. And then you can just round them to his cheeks. Those are his shoulders. Good job. All right, and now on this one, we're going to do 2 little curves. And that's for his cuffs of his glove. And then we can join these ones together. It's a line. Very good.
I'm ready on that part.
And now we're going to draw 2 little lines coming down. This is going to be like his thumbs. Try to draw it straight down. Very good. And then let's just round it at the end, like a J kind of, but not going up. Just there. Yeah, perfect. Try to do that on the other one too. I'm just going to draw a little bit more line there. And now what we're going to do is kind of like a like the letter U, like a like that. On either side. Very good. And now next to it, over here, so like next to the U, like over there, we're going to draw up and into his hands, kind of like that. Very cool.
He's smashing.
He wants to smash things with his fist. All right, we're almost there. Now we just got Mario's legs to do.
Naughty legs.
Naughty legs? Mario got naughty legs? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 lines that come out. So kind of like at the same sort of angle as your... Oops, sorry, I drew on your paper. And you can stop about there. That one you can stop about here.
Mario's naughty foot got stuck in the hole.
Stuck in the hole. Very good. And now we're going to draw the inside leg. So if we can draw kind of like a little A, but without like an upside down V, just here in the middle. Just a small one. So what should I do? I'm just going to do this. Just like that.
It looks like he has a dress.
It kind of looks like a dress now. Yep. Very good. And now you want to draw that line, same as this one, straight down and straight that way. Yeah.
And stop.
Very good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw kind of like a wavy line that goes in and then down, then up. So do you want me to do that again? It's a tricky one. Down and then join it. Very good. That's an excellent job. And now what we're going to do is draw a kind of a backwards cat. This one is not backwards, that's the right way around. Good job. And then a little one on this side, little one on the insides. Good, and then we're going to draw a line that goes up and then like that. Comes round and up and in. Very good. And then can we just draw the same line again? Just follow it all the way around. That's going to be the sole of his foot. Or his shoe roller. It's a bit of a tricky one. Good job! And we have drawn Mario. Was that a tricky drawing?
Yeah.
Yeah, but when we challenge ourselves, we get better, we learn, and we have fun, don't we? You did an awesome job drawing Mario. And what is our favorite part of our drawing? Coloring. We're going to be coloring through our drawings now. We're going to fast forward it so you can always pause, catch up, and see which colors we use. You ready to color?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, let's go. Well, Summer, you have done a fantastic Mario, and that was a really tricky drawing, but you did so well. What do you think?
Yeah.
Did you do well?
Yes.
You tried your best. Me too. Do you like mine?
Yeah.
Very.
This looks like that's again. This looks like scrunched up. Mario.
But it's such a good Mario. You gave it your best try. We had lots of fun, and you learned something, didn't you? We practice, we get better.
Yeah.
Well done. I'm sure all of your Marios were just as cute as well. Oops, Summer's dropped her pen. You want to say bye to everyone?
Bye bye.
Bye everyone. We'll see you in the next video. High five. Boom. Well done. Mario.